welcome back to another episode of DesignCafe Homes. I'm your interior designer Ananya Jois, and today we're going to be going through this beautiful, elegant 4 BHK that we designed for Mr. Manoj Rajpal. Now, our client was a huge fan of wooden shades, and we bet you can see the warm, cozy feel of wood throughout the house. But before we go inside, if you still haven't subscribed to our channel, please hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so that you don't miss out on more such amazing home tours. The living area has false ceiling which is made of hard wooden strips, mainly teak logs, with spotlights to give it that extra oomph factor. The TV unit is designed as a floor-mounted base unit with back panel and open ledges. A steel stud with a wooden partition works very well in a modern room. The entrance wall is adorned with a beveled mirror panel. This is the easiest way to make any space look twice as big and luxurious. The partition, which has planter boxes, gives a pleasant look while entering the house. Now, the leather sofa with black and bronze center table paired along with the pendant light is simply oozing of sophistication and luxury. The dining area is given a concept with contrasting color shades matching the door color. The table has a frosty white and darker shade combo. False ceiling with normal peripheral cove light with wooden strips on one side of the design enhances the look of the decorative wall of the dining. The center wall with metallic leaf design concept with wooden border and the drop-down hanging light is also matching with the golden leaf mural. The parallel-shaped kitchen layout resembles a two-wall gallery kitchen minus a wall. The window and the utility door is giving natural light to the kitchen and the kitchen supplements with a touch of minimal color combination. Don't let your prime-time viewing habits impede your style when it comes to your master bedroom. The entire room has a triangle design concept. The cot has a rustic metallic finish with side table and a sleek study table. This kid's bedroom has a rectangular stone cladding wall which gives an aesthetic look to the space. Matching to the stone cladding, the opposite wall is designed with bottom and open ledge design, and the entire room has warm cove light paired with spotlights. This bedroom has a wooden flooring which gives a warm feeling, and here we have kept the tones very elegant. The cot has a leather silver finish work and wall behind the headboard is highlighted with square rustic wallpaper. The antique wall mirror enhances the look of the bedroom. The color white is an expansive and practical choice for small bedroom decor. It keeps the space from looking too busy or boxed in. The window treatments in the room are simply harmonious with the walls and allow the view and room to shine. Rope knot pendant light is used to give a unique look and feel. Whoa, that was quite the tour. I was truly blown away by the wooden vibes, and that living room is absolute goals. If you felt the same way, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. If you have any other questions, do leave a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, stay safe, stay home. See you all.